Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a home address on Google Maps. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Google Maps on your mobile screen and tap on it. Once the app is open, locate the bottom menu and tap on Saved option. Within the Saved section, you will find a list of saved locations and the option to create a new ones if needed. I will select the labeled list. Here, you can add your home or work address by selecting the appropriate option. Now here, enter your exact home address. You can either choose your current location or pinpoint it on the map provided by Google. Let's pause. If you want to go with map, simply select your home location on the map. I am going to use this address for demonstration to show you how you can do this on your phone. Once you are done, tap on Save and your home address will automatically saved on Google Maps. And that's it. This is how you can add your home address on Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.